are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Cooking with Jack show. Jack Scalfani here. And before we get started, I want to explain what brought on this episode. So, there's a company, well, a lot of you don't know. I do carnivore. So all I eat is meat. So there's a company I looked up called Carnivore Snacks. And all they do is take circles of meat, salt it, dry it. Kind of like beef jerky. They call it Carnivore Snacks. They charge $26 for 5 ounces. I thought, what a ripoff. You guys, we're going to make some today and show you how little effort it is and how low cost it is. They're raking people over the coals. I mean, that's crazy. What is that, like $60 a pound or something? More than that even. I would never pay $60 a pound for meat. So, and by the way, 5 ounces is like, you ever seen Jack Links? Their little bags has like barely nothing in it. Yeah, that's 5 ounces. All right. So come on in close. I'll show you what we got. You'll see how much I paid for it. Then we're going to make our own carnivore snacks. All right. So right here we got pork tenderloin. You can get the really big ones probably for $20. This was 7 and change. So we're going to do some pork, some beef, salt it up, and then we're going to put wet sauce with some of the beef for the rest of the family so they could try it out and we could flavor it for them. Okay? So, $7.82. This is $17. Let's slice this up. I'll show you. Okay, you're going to slice as thin as you can. Then you're going to take the beef and do the same thing with the beef. And then you can dehydrate it if you want. You can use the oven if you want. The formula is down below. 165 degrees, 10 hours. If you go up a little bit, like 180, that'll shave off an hour or two. But I like to go low heat. 165 is beautiful. And we'll show you once everything's sliced up. Okay, guys, so we cut up all the pork. You want to give it a good washing, good sterilizing of the board, the knife, everything before you do the beef after doing the pork. Just so you don't cross-contaminate. So we're going to give it a good wash like that. And then we'll break the beef out and do the same thing with the beef. Okay, so first we're going to season this bag. This is strict carnivore, like the carnivore snacks. We're going to shake a little bit of salt in there. And go heavy on the salt because most of it will coat the meat, but a lot of it will just fall off or stay in the bag. All right, now that it's all sealed, you're going to give it a good tossing around. If you feel there's not enough salt on it, you can always salt it on the tray before you pop it in. But for right now, overnight, we're just going to leave it salted like that. Okay? Put that off to the side. Now this is for the rest of the family. It's the wet sauce. So I'm just going to pour the whole thing in. Okay? That's probably going to be a little spicy, but the family will love it. Let that marinate also overnight. We're going to pop this all in the morning. This right here, we're going to, hold on a minute. This is the pork. Let's pop up on the spoon side. This is some lemon pepper. The dehydrator or your oven, if your oven goes that low, or your air fryer, 165. for 10 hours. But we'll check in around 8 hours just to make sure. All right, 10 hours later, guys. And my wife was unloading this, and it looked like poop. This is the best looking poop I've ever seen. She was looking at these. I don't know what kind of animals she was raising as a kid, but this is the pork with lemon pepper. This is the beef with wet sauce. This is just beef and the salt. Super hard, all of them. They're all perfect. I think I'll take this to the movie theater Friday. Gonna be good, so let's give them a try and try them out. Let's try this one. Super dried out, super hard. Now, let me give you some tips before I try it, okay? If you're trying to slice thin, which we didn't do, you can partially freeze the meat for 10, 15 minutes so it's firm, and then you can thinly slice. Or you can ask the butcher when you buy it to cut it up for you, and he'll shave it perfect. Then you get that snappy, crispy chip type taste, okay? These are a little bit thicker than chips, so it's more like jerky, less like chips, all right? So let's try it out. Great flavor. The beef just with salt is good. If you're a strict carnivore, it's still a great snack, okay? We're going to try the spicy last so I don't burn my guts out and I can't try this. Now, this is the pork. Find one smaller. There we go. This is the pork. Got lemon pepper on it, okay? Give it a try. I've never done pork, by the way. Ever. Guys, so far that's my favorite. That was good. That was amazing. That was great. Lemon pepper is awesome. Realize pork is salty anyway, so you don't need to salt it. So lemon pepper was perfect. It's like salt and pepper and lemon. So let me try a small bit of the spicy one, see how that came out. A little bit of heat. All right, the wet sauce meat. It took the wet sauce really good. It is spicy. I'm getting a little teared up. Don't know if I can eat a lot of that, but that's for the family, not for me anyway. I'll be eating the beef with salt, pork with lemon pepper. That's my favorite, right there. Oh, sorry, just playing with the dehydrator. Anyway, so good, so inexpensive. $12 for the beef, $7 for this, not 26. All right. So anyway, do it yourself. I will see you on the next video. I love you guys. Take care.